That's what I tell myself every single day. I tell myself that I'm the hardest, the smartest person that God ever created. Is it true? It doesn't matter if it's true or not. I believe it, and that's enough for me. But you can tell yourself that you are the best person to ever live. And then what? You telling me you're gonna chase your dreams? Hell no. If you wake up every day and you look at the mirror and you think you'll never be great, you will never, ever be great. So, I'm telling myself, and I'm gonna keep telling myself that I'm the hardest person on the fucking planet, even when I'm in the bad situation possible, even when I have breakdown, even when I feel like giving up. I'm gonna keep telling myself that I'm the hardest person on the planet. Is it true? I don't care. So, when I'm in that terrible spot and I'm talking to myself, that self-talk is real.